It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. Tell more. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash.
To get any good recordings. I remember we got the fish over there. None. Alright, so we're walking up to Auntie Annie's house. They need to do better and pave this or something nice. Just pave it, just put a little walkway through it. So if anything, to at least she can walk with her walk and walk through it. Duh? That make sense? Anyways. Which door I got you? Mommy! Mommy! Alright. We have Chef Annie and Chef Michelle in the kitchen.
I'm gonna show my face here. Good to go.
Oh Lord,
We're good to go.
looking for. That was about to do. Oh yeah.
Hey. Hello, Titi. Okay.
Hungry, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Yeah. Mommy soon come with the milk, alright?
Yeah? I told the people that I'm doing a Christmas vlog, I'm a barely vlog. So may I get as much footage as possible? Huh? May I put everything in there? No. Everybody is picture ready. It's a Merry Christmas. No. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That one. I'm gonna piece of
Watch it, watch it. Hot shalala. I can't manage. Put the panic. Give me them two plastics.
Bicana approved. Guys, I'm wearing my cute little water boots. Alright, so my mommy's been up at my auntie's house for a while now. An hour ago she said she was on her way. Sorry, my Christmas Day vlog is so boring. A bunch of soap detergent spilled on my clothes. So yesterday I was washing it out and today I had to finish washing it out, so I didn't really get to do road as much as I wanted. But I might put together Vlogmas. No, I might put together day 24 and day 25 just because I don't really have much for excuse me, for yesterday and for today. If I go out later today, then got a hiccup. If I go out later today, then I'll vlog that as well. There's supposed to be a dance tonight, so we'll see. Okay.
Those who put together that it may be a reality. All the hands that come together and work that we can take part and our taste bud can be sweet. Lord God, be with us as we commit ourselves to thee. This is the mercy we ask in Christ's name. It's not until you fall that you...
Boy, if you don't
yeah, man, Pastor say wagwan. That not good. Yeah, good.
So we got all this lovely food, chicken courtesy of Top Chef Malik, salad courtesy of Caroline. Let me check this. Which one, the brown stew? I mean, baked chicken?
Yeah.
Nice. So we'll cook the rice and peas.
Yeah, auntie.
Auntie Debbie, Top Chef Debbie. Okay, so as you guys, ooh, this is me and my big head. I'm just so grateful for Christmas. I'm so grateful for family, for friends, food, love, peace, you know. I'll fly to behind the camera. I'm so I'm just grateful, very grateful. Grateful for all the new subscribers that have joined my B family. I don't know what to call you guys. We'll figure that out when the time goes on. But thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching. You really are making my day. I just looked back on the post that I posted saying Merry Christmas. You know that laugh when I sit down, a fake laugh you make to take pictures. Yeah, but they're genuinely happy though. But the picture that I took by the Christmas tree, I just saw some of your comments and I'm like, people commented. Thank you guys so much. Please be safe. If you drink, stay at home. If you go out and drink, have a driver. Okay? You need to be here to watch the next video. But you need to be here for so many more things. 2020 is coming up and the year is beautiful. The year is great. I can smell it. I can also smell the food. So I'm going to end this off with just another thank you. And I'm very, very grateful. So please stay tuned for more and have a blessed holidays and be very safe and have a happy New Year's. Bye.
Can you get the next rice, please? No, they bring one.
Bring my rice, I think. Yeah, you know, so I was sick and I just been Christmas there in a while. And then Dwight said to me, did you make and me say, yeah.
I never say for no reason, but I say it because I want to look on it. Yeah. Because say it because I want to look on it. That's why I must have been done in November. Yeah, and we come back so soon. 6 weeks. Yeah, I'm saying. Tell them to say Salomon come over for Christmas. Yeah, that's you have to make sacrifices. Shall I stop on video? No?
Whenever that video you.
Sorry.
You know what? I feel Malik is a mafia.
Me?
Yeah, I feel Malik is a mafia.
I feel say she one of them.
Yeah, I feel Malik is a mafia.
is in this cluster. There's somebody around here.
No, we think Auntie Megan.
Malik.
Yeah.
Sister Annie.
And between 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. No. Give me night. I pass. Yeah. I do. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute to pick who you believe is in the mafia. Unanimously.